Right, I've had an idea. I've been trying to figure out a way to get a straightening jig down. Until this point, I haven't really had any ideas, but I did come up with this cracker. I reckon it's a cracker anyway. So this part here, this white piece, is a piece of pelmet I picked up from a blind and awning place where I got the big long lengths of pallets from. The first lot of pallets I went and got. So I got a couple of lengths of these. I made a straight cut jig for the circular saw. This one I'm looking for the table saw. So what I've done, I didn't have any of those clamps that kind of do the thing on the top, the whatever they're called, whatever. So I did come up with, I had some of these screw, timber thingies, whatever you want to call them, and some bolts that fit in them. So my plan is to put 4 of those bad boys in, and then put this in the hole, and then the screw on top, and then have a piece of something there to clamp the board onto the jig. So far I've got these are the straightest pieces I've had, and they were dead straight. I'm pretty happy with that. And yeah, so that will be the intent anyway. So they'll come up from the bottom, they'll be recessed into the countersunk into the bottom of the white piece, up through the bottom, and nut on top with washer and a piece to secure the cutting piece to the jig. See how it goes. Well, we're back to Dodgy Brothers TV. No, I'm kidding. Well, a little bit, but feel like it's good to go. I put the anchor screw hex head things in the whatever, I don't know what they're called, and then put 3 of these with just a chunk of timber on top, screwed it down with the impact driver. It didn't completely tear itself apart, so I'm pretty happy with that. Next thing I probably need to do is just trim this side off relatively carefully so it's square on that side, and it should be good. I reckon it'll work. Yeah, but I guess there's only one way to find out. Yeah, this really worked really well. I was really happy with how this came out, just off some stuff that I managed to get from both the same location as pallets and stuff I had laying around the house. If this is stuff that you're into, you want to see more, let me know in the comments. Don't forget to like and subscribe. I really hope you guys enjoy this because I enjoyed doing it. Thanks, guys.